This unusual folding screen is decorated with preliminary sketches by artist Frederick William Elwell. Its exact history is unknown, but it was likely removed from Elwell's studio following his death in 1958. It is possible that the screen was originally owned by Elwell's wife, fellow artist Mary Dawson Elwell, though it may also have been acquired for the privacy of models in his studio. Either way, this was a very unusual way for the artist to work. It was much more common for ladies to decorate screens, but with pictures pasted onto them, known as scrap screens. Instead, the artist has used one for making sketches. The sketches provide insight into the initial planning stage for Elwell's paintings, several of which would become recognisable works. Others, however, are unknown. They are perhaps works which were lost, are hidden from public view, or were never made. Sketching allowed the artist to plan and experiment with composition and colour balance for that painting, demonstrating the artistic process in a most intriguing form.